Hi guys, welcome in this video. In this video, we will fix Facebook suspended account. So let's start without wasting any time. So first of all, click on disagree with decision. After this, you will be there. So click on next, and here you need to put your email address. So now I am using temp mail for this purpose. You can also use temp mail for this purpose. Here you can see temp mail is ready to use. So I go to copy and paste in the both of boxes. Paste here and click to next. So click on see more, and here you can see Facebook gives us many options. So first one is passport, second driving license, national ID card, marriage certificates, etc. If you have any one from these documents, then click on it. So I am clicking on national ID card and click on next. Click on next and take the pictures of your ID card of both sides from your mobile phone and submit. Within few hours, Facebook will activate your suspended account. So hope you like this video. Please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.